Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Rainbow Six Siege error code 20X0000D00A. So first of all, open up this page in your web browser and check its server status. Sometimes it can happen due to server issues. In case you find a temporary outage, wait for some time and try again later. But if you experience no outage here and still encounter this issue, then you need to perform a cold restart of your system and your networking equipment like router, extender, etc. Now, unplug all these devices from their respective power sources and wait for 5 minutes. Then plug back the power cables and turn on your system as well as your networking equipment. Hopefully this will fix the issue. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.